Oo.
From here. This is the Dawn.
Tingnan mo doon, oh. Pink
Saan? Nataas?
yung sign. Oo, pink yung sand niya.
Yeah. There's something in there, oh. Pink rock.
Yeah, pink rock.
Saan? Yung sa taas?
Ayun, oh. Itaas.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Tapos pagdating naman ito, pula. Ganda.
Sayang, hindi ko nakuhanan yung ano. Pink rock. Itong, yung Utah, yung Arizona, tapos ito. Siguro ginawa nila to, no?
Oo, long time ago. Tingnan mo, ang ginamit nila sand.
They made a movie here.
Oh?
What?
This right here.
What movie?
This is right here called The Professionals in 1965.
Wow!
Yeah, this is the remains of this when they made the
Oh,
movie.
this is how it looks like before?
1965.
Oh, we're not
Oh, look.
born that
Look at
time.
them, they're way up there. Look
Oh,
at that.
man. What they do?
What they got up there? Oh, sila yung may music.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they.
Hello! Hi!
May
Can't
music
hear it because of the
sila.
music. Yeah, this was built in 1965. So this
This
is
is
what 55
19
years old.
65, I just born.
We're not born. Me and Venus not born like. We're still not on the plan.
Wow.
That's a good thing to go up there, but then it's so scary.
Dangerous, yeah.
It's very risky.
It's okay, they're guys. They're not worried.
If you fall down there, you will not be alive.
Yeah.
You'll be a,
Expensive
like
for
lechon.
helicopter. Ano pangalan mo?
Venus po.
Venus. Nag-hike ka rin dito, husband mo?
No, yung asawa ko, hindi, hanggang dun lang siya sa buhangin, bumalik na sa, Sasakyan.
Pareho pala ng asawa.
pero yung mga kaibigan ko, nag-hike kami dito.
Yeah, see, all this is water during the rains.
Ate Margarita,
Yes.
gala yan siya. Ang dami niyang napuntahan.
No, kapag ano lang.
This is what happens in the water when
Ay, pwede yata magkuha ng panghilo.
river. It's like a
Ayun, pagilod mo.
Maghanap ka pang hilod mo.
yeah.
Ah, dadaan pa tayo dito? Hindi na?
No, we're going around.
Hindi ba may ano to, may malas?
No.
Kasi sabi pag nagdala ka ng bato,
Ito, Hawaii.
Ito, hilod.
ito. Ito, panghilod.
Oh yeah.
Ay, ito ate.
Ay, ito.
Ayan, maganda yung hawak ni ate.
Ito?
Yan ang hilod.
Ayaw mo yung don't get that too fine kasi ito at least.
Ayan,
Okay.
ano yan
May
yung
grip.
gas
So akin na to, may panghilod
Oo.
na ako. Yay! Ang galing ni ate mamili ah. Tara,
This way.
dito yan. Nakakuhang ako to sa river.
where are we going?
This way.
Zion.
Oh yeah, this way.
Yeah. Trails this way.
So, I don't like to put in his bag kasi ang bigat na ng bag niya.
You can put it in the bag.
No, it's okay.
Ano sa bulsa mo?
Wala akong bulsa. Ayun na,
Tago
ito.
mo yan. Ay, lagay mo sa akin. Baka mahuli pa tayo sa ano.
Bawal ba?
Bawal.
O ya? Pwede ba yan sa'yo? Hindi kasi sa bag ko ate. Thank you. Mahirapan ka sa bag mo. Ako magbadala. Ako magdalang bag mo. See? Ang kulay ng mundo oh. Napakaganda. Gusto ko. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. That's
May
beautiful.
panghilod na si Inday.
Inday Badiday. Nakakatakot lang mag-video-video pa ganito kasi nga baka mamaya matisod ka.
Yep.
Then-
Ano pa yung ano mo.
Parang gusto ko dun sumiksik. Mahilig ako magsuksok eh. Ang kulay ng bato na.
See? Pinawisan na ako.
Ako din eh. I'm
Yep.
sweating.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, you understand, pawis.
Yeah. Okay.
Here we go.
Unahin mo sila para hindi sila kasama sa picture.
Okay. Ito oh. Diba? Napaka-beautiful ng creation, God. Kasi how, look! Para
Pag
siyang,
malakas ang tubig, if heavy rain, this one's
Yeah,
gonna be
filled.
filled water. Big flood.
so, ibig sabihin, before may tubig dito,
Oo.
can I have picture there in the butas?
Oh yeah. Akit ka.
Tapos, ang kuha ng picture, yung malaki.
You have to go up this
Okay,
way. and
bye-bye.
then-
Bye-bye, guys.